Hello kiddos, welcome back to my one more new video. Today we are going to learn about air vehicle's name. So let's start. The first air vehicle is airplane. Airplane. Say with me, airplane. Oh, this is helicopter. Helicopter. Say with me, helicopter. This is hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. Say with me, hot air balloon. This is jet. Jet. Say with me, jet. This is glider. Glider. Say with me once again, glider. This is parachute. Parachute. Once again, say with me, parachute. Oh, this is fighter plane. Fighter plane. Can you say with me? Fighter plane. This is cargo plane. Cargo plane. Say with me, cargo plane. Oh, I love this. This is drone. Drone. Can you say once again? Drone. And the last one. This is rocket. Rocket. Say with me, rocket. Well done kiddos. So let's repeat all the vehicles name all together one more last time. So let's learn the air vehicles. Airplane, airplane. Helicopter, helicopter. Hot air balloon, hot air balloon. Jet, jet. Glider, glider. Parachute, parachute. Fighter plane, fighter plane. Cargo plane, cargo plane. Drone, drone. And the last one, rocket, rocket. Well done kiddos. So kids, let's learn it every day because practice keeps you perfect. So if you love this video, please give a like and subscribe for my effort and subscribe for more fun learning videos like this. Till then, bye-bye, take care, stay safe and stay healthy. See you next time kiddos. Bye-bye.